Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Welcome. We got some people here. What's up, Mo? What's up, Joni? Rumo, what's going on? Rumo short on NQ right now. He's looking for some downward moves here. Let's go ahead and check out the charts. Looks like Johnny is in some trades here. He's taking a couple of trades overnight. He's a little bit green right now. Let's see if we can find where the direction might be going. Looks like he is trying to make it right now to about, let me just get rid of this. He's trying to make it to 29,825 right now. Let's see if he can get that push here on the open. As far as higher time frames go, let's go ahead and check out the daily. Let's go ahead and check out the daily, see what's going on here. Daily is still very, very nasty and choppy. We do have a little bit of still a breakdown below this trend line that we have been fighting. Let's see if it's broken through yet. It's struggling right now with that trend line. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, that's the whole thing right now. Trying to break back into this trend line, into the 700s, 800s. That's where she's stuck at the moment. Maybe it'll do it here on the open. Take a look at the 30 minutes, see if there's anything there that makes sense. Pretty nice trap down here this morning. Around 7 a.m. here. Looks like they did push and possibly going to go higher. So I would say, yeah, there's a good chance that we could go. We did hit this target here on the 30 minute down to 29,047. That was a good hit. All right, so it looks like we are possibly going to make this move to the upside here in a few seconds. Let's keep our eyes open. See if we can get some good trades. Johnny's holding tight for this long. Market opens up here in 2 seconds. We'll go ahead and check out the other assets out in just a moment too. Paul says, good morning, traders. With the rise of self-driving vehicles, it's only a matter of time before we get a country song where a guy's truck leaves him too. That's hilarious. That is a good one. That would be a good country song. 612 profit today, says Viral Boss. Taking a break. Back at it tomorrow. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, thanks for stopping and letting us know. All right, getting a pullback here on the open. Looks like they might be using this trend line here as support. We'll see. What's up, Patty? Good morning to you. All right. Real quick look at the mags, see what they're at. Mags had a target to the downside. Let's see, that was yesterday. Mags are pushing down a little bit right now. SpaceX kind of stalling out. NVIDIA also pulling back here on the open, I think. Let me see if this is updated. All right, now here we go. Oof, NVIDIA had a dump here on the open. Or is having a dump here on the open. Bitcoin finding a little support, I think. Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, it looks like that. Oil's been mooning, so right now we have oil kind of at 73.17. Stalling here underneath the VWAP. YM also pulling back here on the open after a move higher overnight. And we've got gold kind of doing a sideways thing right now. Back to NQ. See if NQ can find support here. Okay. Yeah, ES is dipping hard. ES is dipping a lot harder than the NQ. See if they manage to hold this, or maybe they're going to come down to VWAP. Looks like VWAP might be a good target if they're targeting move lower. Guys, hit those likes nice and early if you don't mind. Would help us out big time. I think we may have some news today. I think we had some news and might have some further news. Let's see, today being Thursday. Unemployment claims at 8:30. That passed already, came and went. Unemployment claims came in at 215. The expected was 218, so less people unemployed, or the way they count them, less people are unemployed. We got Fed speakers talking this morning. We got Fed Speaker Williams talking this morning at 9. Existing home sales at 10. Not a big deal, but it is some news. We got a 30-year bond auction today at 1 o'clock. Fed Speaker, Governor of the Board member Martin speaks at 12. So kind of a slow news day today, unless we get something crazy. Tomorrow, we have pretty much nothing tomorrow. Pretty open. So it is what it is. All right, market is pushing back higher. Johnny might get his TP here. Good, go. Go. Yeah, looks like a nice solid push. Yeah, longs here look pretty good. Move here to 830 looks pretty good. Move to 830. See if Johnny can get his TP. Nice push here. Go, go, go. Come on, baby. Today might be the day Johnny starts to crush it. Let's see if we can go. What's up, Piotr? You hit the like. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate you guys. Let's see if we can get a TP here. Nice and early here in the morning. Come on, just a little more. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Looking for a hit right now of 826. All right, we got it. Nice hit. Johnny's up 300 on a couple of accounts right now. That was a good hit. Let's see if he's up on this one too. Let's see if we can open this one up. He's up on this account as well. I think he's down on gold though. Gold was rough overnight. Yeah, he's down on gold. He'll make it back. All right, so far it looks like they want to continue pushing higher. They are finding support on the trend line. There we go. More upside, it looks like, kind of. Yeah, like I was saying, the 30-minute looks super strong right now, guys. The 30-minute looks right here. This little area right here looked like it really got this area right there. I think this right here was a trap short. I don't have the signals on right now. I'm trying to experiment on something, just keeping off as many signals as possible, just to keep the chart clean. I don't even have the MV wave on right now, but it's just to kind of highlight the indicator and new attributes the indicator is going to have. Today I'm on the screen. I have on our Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, and I also have on the secondary indicator that I'm going to be releasing to anybody who is a current Smooth Trader Concepts indicator subscriber, and it'll also be available to anybody who does not use TradingView Premium. You'll be able to get a lot of these signals here without having to have premium. But when you have premium, you'll have access to both. So for instance, I'll show you real quick what I mean. That if you just have premium and you don't have the new indicator, it'll look like this. If you have both, you can have both on. If you don't have premium and you just want to have the majority of the signals, you'll have something that looks like this. Okay, so it'll be very beneficial to both. But if you have both, it's even better. It's even better. So I'm looking forward to getting some people to try it out. If you are an existing member, you're going to get it for free, no additional charge. And if you've never used our indicators before, now you'll have an opportunity to use them if you didn't have TradingView Premium. All you guys have to do is go over to our pinned comment, hit for start free trial, it says start free trial, but it's $7 for 7 days. And you guys will be able to utilize it for not the new one. The new one I haven't rolled out yet for you guys, but I will later today. But you'll have the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, and if you're a paying member, by the time we roll it out of the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, you'll be able to get both for the same price. One of our rotating graphics is trial instead of trial, 7-day indicator trial. Thanks, Mo. I'll look into that right now. What's up, Greg? How you doing? Dotan, what's going on, Dotan? Samara, good morning. Let's go see. Right now we don't have another trade on. Just have the. We just have the last trade. We sit patient and wait for another one to show up. Oh, trail. Oh my God. That's pretty, that's hilarious. This is trail. 7-day trail. That's pretty funny. Let me put that in my, let me put that, let me put that in my notes to work on later. All right, ES looks like it wants higher. ES is pushing right now. NQ might follow suit soon. All right, guys. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Luna wanted to hang out. Looks like we might get another move to the upside here very soon. Say Johnny and me want to go long again. This one's going to be a big trade. Might go long here in just a moment. All right, it looks like Johnny's long. Let's go check him out. We are long right now, I think. Yeah, we are. Okay. Okay, long all the way up to 50, 30, 50. It looks like what Johnny's looking for. See if that works out for us. Right now the market is kind of pumping, so I wouldn't doubt it. Let's see if any of the mags or Nvidia or anybody. Yeah, mags made a little bit of a comeback here, now above the VWAP. Mags looking okay. Let's look at SpaceX. SpaceX is chop, chop, chop. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be monitoring SpaceX, but it was a kind of a factor at one point. Looks like Nvidia trying to make a comeback. I don't know if she will. She's getting kind of heavy. She's way far from her VWAP. Oil is still very heavy, so oil should give way for the market to move higher. YM is making a comeback. Look at that. The YM, you cannot hold her back. She's doing really well. Gold is going absolutely nowhere. And we're just waiting to see what happens here on this move to the upside. Getting stuck at 860. That was, we're above the overnight high, so we did take that out already. Possibility we could move back down and grab the overnight low, which is sitting at, not a big range, but sitting at 29,392. It's about 500 points away. Maybe we find support on the overnight high, who knows? Anybody take a long on this morning, or are you guys still holding on? All right, she's getting a little bit of a push. Yeah, I just hope we don't get a market like we did yesterday. That was really bad. Yesterday's market was an absolute chop fest. This at least has a little bit of direction and momentum to it, so hopefully we can keep going. All right, let's see if they keep going. This trend line was really helpful. Not that we traded off the trend line, but it kind of showed what the market's trying to do. Don't ever get me wrong, guys. I mean, trend lines are they're important. They're important because they know that a lot of retailers use them and a lot of algorithms use them. So they do get rechecked. They do get tested. So when we drop down here, coming back to retest it, finding support on here could be what they were trying to do next. So maybe something that looks like this. Right now we're also getting a downward trend line. Maybe we get something like this. Retest that, then come and maybe make some higher highs, something like that. Because right now we also have a downward trend line. Not that I'm saying that's going to hold us back, but she did just break out through it. So maybe she comes back, retests both, retests the intersection, and then maybe goes higher. That's what I'm hoping. It is what I'm hoping. Right now she's looking pretty pumpy though, so God bless her little heart. What is this? Oh, that's my, I'm like, what the heck was that? What's up, Paul? Took profit on my long, having a lot of technical problems. Oh, really? What's going on? TradingView was having some issues this morning. Patty, you're long? Nice job, Patty. 10 a.m. Existing home sales? Yeah, I don't know if that's going to be such a market mover. Well, take care, Paul, if you got to go. What's up, Joey? You had to run some errands? That's unexcusable, Joey. You know that. You got to be here at 9:30, brother. No exceptions. I'll let it slide this time. As long as you hit the like. Let me know once you do, and I'll forgive you. I'm just kidding, Joey. Joey, you could leave for a year, come back, and I'll still accept you, man, like the prodigal son that you are. Right, we got the NQ right now making support on top of the 15-minute orb. For those of you who do not know what an orb is, it is the opening range, opening breakout range, or the IB is also what it's called, which is initial balance. So the highest and the lowest that the price moves within the first 15 minutes of the market is what an IB is, or ORB, opening breakout range. So what you're looking at, and just to kind of highlight for you guys who are new or maybe don't know too much about what we got here. So the high here on this 15-minute stretches from here. What did it just happen? Okay. So the high here, all the way down to this low here, is where the market has moved since 9:30. So 9:30 opens, the market moves down, and then the market moves up. Then 15 minutes pass. And then once 15 minutes pass, it's 9:45. The highest price that it went in the first 15 minutes or the lowest price that it's gone in the 15 minutes usually gets either tested as support or resistance. And a lot of people trade off of it. I use it as a milestone. And I also have a secondary one, which is the 1 hour orb. So I track the 15-minute orb and I track the 1 hour orb. So if you guys don't have this on your screens, just go to TradingView under the indicators. Go here, indicators. Under indicators, you can go and type in Smooth Trader, and you will see that we have this Smooth Trader volume toolkit. Let me show you guys. Smooth Trader volume toolkit, and it'll give you all those levels on your chart. Okay, very simple to do. You know, I am going to be rolling out this other one later on today, the Ultimate Momentum Signal. That one's beast mode for anyone who doesn't have TradingView Premium. And obviously we have an update to the Smooth Trader Order Flow Simplified. I'm going to be doing another update to that today too. There's a couple things I have to fix on it. So I'll let you guys know once it's all done. I'll send out an email. All right. Patience here. Patience. Let's see if we can get anything else on the charts. Oh, wow. Let's see this one. Johnny's long on another one, too. That'll be a big one. Johnny wants to go to 150 down, huh? Might be a big one. Yeah, she might be trying to make this big move. What's up, Safe? Thanks, Joey. Appreciate hitting a like. Didn't miss anything important? Just a little bit of move to the upside. That's it. You missed some important commands. Oh, man. That's too funny. Longs are the play today, says Joey. So far, so good. You can learn from this, says Mo. Where's Mrs. Move? She'll be joining us later, more than likely. These are evals. My funded, I took profits on last night, and I'm waiting for them to take the money out of my account so I can trade it again. How's Johnny doing? Johnny's green. He's really nice. He's up 300 on 2 accounts, up another 70 right now. He's down on gold, and on this account, he is in a trade right now, up about 120. So he's doing all right. He's in 3 trades right now. Gold tore him apart a little bit last night. Gold was a little choppy last night. So he's down 500 on gold. But he can make that up. He'll make that up today. Take a quick look at I'm going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking like has some strength. I may want to continue going higher. It's been a tough market with Bitcoin. She's down, she's up, she's down, she's up. Your trading view is actually special needs? What do you mean? Trading view is acting up? Oh, I know what you mean. I'm not on TikTok today. You could say it. Kind of a slow market, man. We've got a 31 on the ATR this morning, which is slow compared to what other days we've gotten much higher than this. We usually be in the 40s or 50s. So today's going to be a slow one, it looks like. No, I've taken some trades. I already took one trade. Well, Johnny's trading for me. I programmed him the way that I want him to trade. He's already taken. He's been taking trades all night, but this morning since the open, he was in a long. TP'd on this long right here. He's in another trade right now with a TP up at 48.50, something like that, 50. So, just waiting. Just waiting for something to happen, either a TP or a stop out. Johnny's going based off MOAS signals. Not necessarily. It's a lot of different things that go into it. The MOAS signal may be a trigger, but some other things have to happen first. So I would never enter a trade just based on a signal alone. It would have to be a signal. It would have to be the signal be the trigger, but other things would have to happen first. What's going on, Kamal? How you doing, brother? Good morning to you. Oil looks like it wants to continue heading to the downside. NQ might continue ripping. She's just stalled out for a bit. But I think there's a good chance she can keep going. Come on, NQ. Show us what you're made of, baby. We got some World Cup games today. Can't miss those. What do we got today? Yeah, today we got France and Morocco. Tomorrow we got Belgium and Spain. Oh, what's that? Getting stuck here in the 930s, 940s, 920s. Let's take a look at the stock heat map, see what's going on. What is going on here? All right, looks like Nvidia is leading the way down today. Google's not a good one today either. Meta's down, Microsoft's down, Palantir's down pretty big. Tesla's barely getting by here. And we got the microconductor, or we got the semiconductors here, all looking pretty good. I still haven't found SpaceX on here, which is weird. If anybody finds it, let me know. Yeah, they're not doing so good. Not doing so hot. Mags are starting to give it up. SpaceX is ripping. She is ripping. Back above 150. And Nvidia just keeps tumbling. Yeah, Nvidia was leading the way yesterday on some bullish China news, but today she's like, nah, I'm not having any of it. Nasty pullback. Oil looks like it's recuperating a little bit. YM is kind of going flat. Gold coming back down. NQ still just hovering around break even here. Hovering around my entry. Let's see if she finds support on the orb. Long on the ES at 553. Joni says it was on the top right. Oh, was it really? Oh, here it is. I didn't even see it. It's like right in front of my face. Ah, there it is. Okay. Thank you for that. We got T-Mobile down there. Or T-Mus? Yeah, T-Mobile. I didn't even know T-Mobile was a thing. Thanks, Joni. For the mobile viewers who can't see. Looks like we're gonna have another chop fest this morning, huh? We got news at 10, existing home sales, but didn't do much unless that's what's bringing our market down right now. I doubt it was that. Existing home sales, let's see what they came in at. Came in at 4.09. Expected was 4.19. So came in weaker than expected. And yeah, it's come down a lot. Looks like 2020 and 2022 was the peak, and right now we've just been kind of bottoming them out around 4. When's the last time we've been at 4? Yikes. We were briefly at 4 in 2010. So this is really not good for the real estate market. It's really not good, bro. Not good at all. All right. I'll be right back, guys. Take a quick break. Give me 2 minutes. Damn. What a pullback. That's a nasty pullback. All right, Johnny's about to get stopped out here on this trade. Damn, Johnny. How did that happen so quickly? All right, maybe we'll get a bounce on the VWAP. Who knows? Maybe we get lucky. Yeah, what a nasty pullback. Yeah, it looks like they did not find support on the overnight high. They chopped that overnight high down real quick. 5 minute looks real dumpy right now. Looks like there's a trapped long indication up on a 5 minute up here. So it looks like we are going to be making that move down. Yeah, it looks like the ES right now is putting in a MOAS signal to the downside. Damn, Johnny. They did you dirty, son. Not right now. That already passed. At what time? 12:30. What do you got at 12:30? Oh.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry for my tardiness. It's very unacceptable.
Oh, Patty, you got to go? Patty left. You went short and pricing went right to your TP, Joey? Good job. Yeah, that was a dump. That was a dump. You're down 200 points on your long command. But at least I obeyed. That's what's more important than money. That's funny. Caught that short for 2,200, said Ryan. Nice, Ryan. You're starting to see what good risk management can do to your trading? That's awesome to see, man. All right, Johnny's about to get his risk managed right there. All right, let's see what happens now. He's down about $100 here this morning on that trade, but maybe he gets a pop. Who knows? Maybe he'll get another good entry somewhere. The day's still young. Yeah, 30-minute right now is starting to turn into a complete disaster. It looks like they are going to trap all the traders up here in this area here at 29,931. Retest the trend line, Tori's trend line here. And if they use it this time around as resistance, then they're going to push for more downside. If they find a support here, then they'll push it back up higher. No. Don't worry about it. Our market is pushing here. We're below the trend line. Let's take a quick look at the MV wave to see if we're getting any if we're back in the red. Yeah, we're back in the red. Let's see if they can break back up. What chart do you have open?
What do you mean?
Hmm?
What do you mean?
What chart do you have open?
Oh, I don't know. Main screen.
Go to main screen.
That is main screen.
You're on main screen?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Yeah, you're on main screen. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I guess not.
Then you go to just go to here.
Okay.
Just keep an eye on it.
Okay.
And said they're possibly trying to build support here. Question is, will this be a fake out, or if this will be real? If this is going to be real, then the move up to the 30-50 area is probably still a thing. Johnny may try his long here again.
No, I'm here, Joey. I think the robot looks better than me.
I don't want to fix the camera right now.
No, it's fine.
Camera's not adjusted. You turned it on?
Mm-hmm. Off.
Oh, you turned it off. Hmm. The longs here might work. Let's see if they can hold above VWAP. think they're going to make that easy. This is a very, very manipulated area because we have VWAP and we also have that trend line. So I think they're going to cause a little bit of chop in this area before they let it go. Either direction, whether it goes higher or lower. MOS says she's looking for, ES says she's looking for lower. $734 rejection. Johnny's not talking. That's my wife. All right, almost up to 740s. Not sure what they want to do. Take this long. Put your stop at 613.
Okay.
And your TP can be at 3050.
Oh, what?
3050 can be your TP.
What?
3050.
Oh.
Do you have a stop loss on?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
You have it at 614?
Yes. It says 613.
Oh, whatever. Yeah, sorry. Maybe she pushes, or maybe this is a bull trap. We'll find out soon enough. Could get trapped here at the overnight high. I would not be surprised if they have another pullback here, double bottoming. Who knows? That's usually what we see. Especially when the market shows some strength in the few early candles on a pullback. A lot of times they come back and see if that's really the case. That's a big risk to reward. It's all right. It was at like 3-1, 2-1, something like that. It's not that big. More than likely, it's probably not gonna go straight there. It'll take some time. If it goes, it could just be like I said, it could just be a bull trap that gets rejected here at the overnight high, and we get further downside. It's likely. This is where she starts to get a little bit sideways on us, I'm sure. We have the overnight high to get through. I'm sure what she's going to want to do here is pull back. Maybe she bounces on the pullback, or maybe she ends up continuing down, one or the other. Markets are finding some support on the VWAP. Let's see if we can break that overnight high on this next push. A lot of manipulation here, but that's what we kind of expected. A move in this area right here is what I'm thinking could do something like this, like it's already kind of doing. Maybe even take another one and go higher. That's kind of like the move I'm thinking can happen. Maybe find support on the overnight high. I think something like this is what she may do. Get everybody very bearish and then pull it back up. It's my idea. If she does it, if she takes a different path and goes sooner, I'm not going to complain. But if she finds support on the overnight high, I'm probably going to tell the wife to add to her trade. All right. Nice push. Good move here by the bulls. Let's see if they can keep going. Another move above the overnight high would be beautiful. You don't see anything you like, Joey? Oh. To be honest with you, neither is Johnny. Not yet. He wasn't this long earlier, but he got stopped out there, and then the market decided to turn around afterwards. So go ahead and add another one, babe. Put that target on that one. Mm-hmm. Put the TP on that one at 840. Okay. Make it 836.
Okay.
Let's see if they come to sweep in the VWAP again. What's up, Sam B? This could go either way. Yeah, it's absolutely. That's exactly right. That can happen at any point. I'm not ruling out that this could also dump. All right, let's see if we can get this breakout above the overnight high. Seems like this is what's been keeping her stuck here around the 780s. Putting pretty good patterns together though for the bulls. Not terrible. Not terrible. Market will move higher. Good entry move, and I'm paper trading this, says Abel, to 30K as I'm done for the day up 200. Beautiful.
That's good.
Beautiful. Good for you. Okay, the ES is now looking for a higher pricing. So we did find that support we were looking for on the on this major trend line and on the VWAP, which is decent. Let's see if they can continue this pattern higher. I mean, these trades in the early hours, they got to be the ones to work, because later in the day it gets way too choppy. Samby's looking for 815. You looking for 815? Yeah, let's see if we can break this overnight high. It's been kind of stuck there. I think you'll get your 815 though, Samby. Unless you had some nasty pullback for no reason. Let's see if we can get this pump. Buyers need to step in here pretty big. I can see them still having a pullback though. That's the sad part. I can see them still trying to pull back. London's on fire this week. Feels like 45 Celsius. That's like 100 degrees. And I have to wear a suit.
Oh well. It was almost 100 yesterday here.
Here?
Yeah,
Was it?
it's
I didn't even leave the
97.
house yesterday.
97.
97.
It felt like 100. So, I'm not gonna lie. I'm grateful it's already almost halfway through July and it's like that now. It's not gonna be like that for longer. It's gonna be colder sooner, hopefully.
Yeah, it stays like this pretty much till September though.
Yeah, but usually like beginning of June is when the high 90s.
You can't see Mrs. Smooth because we didn't set up her camera. If I set it up now, it's gonna be all fuzzy.
Yeah, I was like, guys, I'm sorry. I teach the girls not to be tardy, but listen, I'm not perfect.
She was a little retardy this morning. It's all good. Important thing is she's here. Did you get your 815, Samby? Not yet. Having trouble breaking 800. But once she does, hopefully it'll be a nice swift move.
Did you just add that?
Add what?
It said need us to pray for you. Let us know in comments.
No, it's been there for
Oh, that's really sweet.
months. Thanks.
I feel like everybody always needs a prayer.
That's why I always pray for them at the end.
Just gotta have the vulnerability to say you need a prayer.
There's been a few people who have asked. That's why I leave it there. They could still retest this Tory Tan line here, so that's why I said it could still have a pullback here. It may hit your 797 trail stop. I already did, huh? So we may enter some more chop if this market doesn't get going. Let's take a look at what the mags and what Nvidia is doing. Mags right now pushing. She still had a target to the downside though. That worries me. Yeah, it kind of worries me. Nvidia is looking like she's showing some signs of life now. We have a VWAP on Nvidia at 201. Maybe that's where she wants to head to. Oil's pushing higher. YM is recuperated. Gold still going sideways. Not much here, not much. Houses in London absorb the heat too. Yeah, those houses in London are like hundreds of years old, right? I mean, they're not really well insulated. Oh, good push, good push. Let's see if they can break this 800 level. ES is looking for higher. NQ probably will be too at some point here soon. To me, that trade from earlier is still valid, so that's why the wife's going to hold her last position till about 30.50. The first one, she's going to take a TP at 840 or 836 if it gets there. What's up, T Massive? Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Let's see if we get this first move up to the 840s. Come on, NQ. Do your thing, baby. Push. Just got destroyed and grabbed more accounts. What happened? What happened? Were you long? And with that pullback, that was a nasty pullback, by the way. She took Johnny out on that pullback too, gave back all his profits, unfortunately. That was uncalled for, that pullback. Oh, you started with NQ and not MNQ? Was that on purpose or by accident? Oh, trying to add more up front instead of missing the move and then add it small. The 800 area is resistance and Border Patrol is fighting. Yeah, I see that. If they can break the 800 though, 840 should be a realistic target. I looked at they broke 800. Come on, thank you, just a little more. Looks like that 800 level. Still fighting back. You're long, Sambi? Hopefully this pullback didn't get you. And buyers are fighting. See if we can get a strong push right back up. That would be nice. Joey, you're long too? Nice, brother. Really need to get above 800. It's a thorn in our side right now. Looks like sellers are turning up the volume here. Took an L for 300, Sambi. Okay. 2 out of 3 today, up 110 on the day. I'm calling it. Nice, Joey. Might come to retest Tori's trend line again, like I talked about earlier. What's up, BPK Gaming? What's going on? Today was a hell of a day. Completely blew an account and printed on 2 others. Oh, yeah. Could imagine there was some pretty big swings already. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes, sir. That's it, Joey. That's the mindset you need, brother. Holding the short, Sambi? Okay. Give us a nice little bounce here. This has to be the one that breaks above 800. If not, she's going to lose all credibility here for the buyers. Do I use SMT? No, I do not. I have my own custom indicators that guide me in my direction that I want to go. Combination of order flow and momentum, and that's all I trade. I've been trading well recently. Hopefully I can keep it up and don't turn a Riri again. Nice, Joey. Good for you, Joey. You got this, bro. Yeah, it looks like this session is turning into a similar session from yesterday. Yesterday's session was a complete chop fest, and this week, since it's been a slow news week, looks like it's been a little bit of a chop fest. Still looking for that move to 840, and then maybe 3050. ATRs are still pretty decent sized here. It's a battle going on right here. This level right here is tough. Buyers have refused to give up yet, though. Like I said, if they can break above 800, they can take out that 15-minute orb. Wild bounces, yeah, pretty wild. 770 to 804. I would want to see a candle close above this area for longs. Yeah, the volume looks done for today. Slow movements from here on. Yeah, well, she wants you to believe that, and then she'll give us a pump. Who knows? Maybe she's done for the day. Anything's possible. Maybe she's consolidating for a bigger move. The direction is the thing we don't know. Anything's possible? Yep. It is. All right, she's trying to break the overnight again. If she can get through the overnight this time, it should be pretty good sign to hit 840. Johnny might take a long here in a moment. Looks like he will. He'll try his little robot luck again.
take it.
No, he didn't take it. He did not take it. He changed his mind. We could just dump to 25K right now, says Joey. Imagine that. That would be crazy. NQ's trying to abuse us? What else is new? He's just got to be patient with her. Overall, I do think she's going to try to hit 840, but could be wrong. How many contracts do I usually trade with? The way I'm trading now, one. I'm just trading with one. One of my strategies is trading 2 contracts because it trades less frequently, and another one that I'm trading on gold is trading 2 contracts as well. But for my main strategy, I'm only trading 1 contract. How many times is it going to tap 800? It's going to tap it so many times that it has to break it for good. It has to break it for good. And then possibly use it as support. If the ES sweeps out at 955 candle, I'd be looking for NQ to do the same, says BPK Gaming. If it fails and makes a higher low, then it will probably become a stronger asset for shorts. Nice, nice, nice. Appreciate the commentary, bro. Come on, baby. Give us this bounce up to 840. Yeah, once these longs do confirm, I feel like it's gonna rip. It's looking that way.
It still could.
What's that?
It still could rip.
It still could have?
It still could rip. It still could rip.
Oh, it still could rip.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm getting old and deaf. What's your entry?
Well, there's 2.
746 is your entry?
No, it's 2.
That's your combination entry, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just combine them.
Thanks.
How would you feel about moving to break even if you hit your first TP?
No, I'm fine.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
If it hurts, you're risking too much. It hurts even when I lose 1 contract. 9 times safe? Huh?
No, I just burped. I
Oh.
want to say sorry.
Come on, NQ, find that support on that overnight high, baby. Let's go. It's also got to do with trusting your edge and knowing your strategy works over time, says Joey. Yeah, that too. That too. I trust my edge and I know my strategy will work over time. That's why I eliminated myself out of the equation and just let Johnny do the trading for me. I doubt that Johnny will tilt the way I would have tilted. Or I have tilted in the past, I should say. It stopped you out? Safe? You were short on it? Okay. Looking for 840 here on this push and see if we can go. Alright, stretch time to come back in. Buyers may push this time through the 820s. You were long with me? Oh, you got stopped out in profits? Nice. That's good. That's good. ES has some resistance coming up here at 75, 75.66. As long as they can break through that, the ES should rip higher to the session highs, maybe. Or higher than session highs. These are the session highs. NQ had a bigger pullback than the ES did. For the NQ to get back to session highs, oof, we got a way to go. Going to play Rocket League? Okay, Joey. That sounds cool. If ES can take 75.66, I'll TP for 467. Nice, BPK. BPK. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that. BPK, BPK, BPK. I'll try to get it right. BP? Okay, I call you BP. That's better. You appreciate me for the respect? I mean, that's all we could do. Respect each other. Sam B says, my ear was eating and trading. I should have kept my A15 level on my mind. I don't know what that means. Did you make a mistake?
To hit my first TP.
You're gonna hit your first TP here at 836?
37.
837? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, push it for the wife. Go. Come on. Go.
Oh, got the first one.
You got the first one? Good job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job. Hopefully someone else also made something.
Yeah, hopefully somebody else caught along with her. Johnny's still trying to look for his long, the one he got.
Hmm?
Johnny got taken out at the bottom there. He got
Yeah,
taken
I
out there
noticed.
and it's going right back in his direction.
So,
Yeah, it does go so.
I think Patty entered that trade.
She did, and she
She-
probably got stopped out on it.
She did, yeah.
You have only one stop loss up?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna use the restroom, guys. I'll be right back. Now Johnny's in a trade, huh? Oh no, he changed his mind.
Did? Oh, I did.
Yes, he did. I don't know if he made it. Did he? No, he didn't enter. No, he didn't enter. I don't know if the market's going to move clean. We just swept a high here, the session high on the ES. I don't know if the NQ is going to keep going, but let's take a quick look here at what's going on the market right now. We have the mags pushing up. So you could continue to rip. 65 is another target right now on the mags to the upside if you keep going. SpaceX really did take off here. Whoa. launch stuff. Those lows here around 147. Nvidia is trying to battle that VWAP. This is going to be interesting. If Nvidia can get past our VWAP, this could get pretty interesting. We could make a recovery. Bitcoin also looking pumpy. Oil slumped. YM is still moving up. Gold is just ranging still. All right, Johnny took a trade now. I think he did. Did he?
Yeah.
I don't see it. Why don't I see it? Oh no, he did not. He did not. But the MOAS showed up though. The MOAS showed up. That's good. It's a good sign. Diamond 3 champ in 2 seconds. What does that mean? You use the diamonds on the indicator? Oh, what? Oh. That's BP. BP is asking Joey a question. A lot of traders play Rocket League. That's weird. Yeah, nice move here. See if it can keep going. This 15-minute orb is the next level that she's gonna have a little bit of a struggle with, and Nvidia's at its VWAP too, so it makes sense for it to have a little bit of a
Hmm?
I want you to take it. I think it's gonna come back and try to.
Just take it.
Yeah. Because I think it's gonna come back and try to be shiesty.
Okay.
You were up what? Almost 400.
373.
Okay. And when if it comes back down to that area around 740s, 750s,
Yeah.
then maybe we could look at another long. But it's fine. You did good on it. Is that it for you, or you're gonna stick around?
I'll stick around. No, I'm not unfunded.
She's on her 50K eval, which is a big size account for her. She's only traded 25Ks before. What's your balance now? 51 yet?
I don't know.
51?
I don't know why it said 51 earlier. I don't know why I went.
Because you had a little bit more profit. Yeah, she's almost at 51K, so she needs another 2K.
Yeah.
She'll get there soon.
Joey's so funny. She got a text message for something service.
You just got a text message from escort service? It would be crazy if it turns the daily red. Yeah, anything's possible with the NQ. Exactly what you don't expect is exactly what she's going to do. Joey, you going to take them up on their offer?
Thank you. I appreciate the kind words. I'm happy for her, and I do hope I reach funded. I guess sometimes I get discouraged.
Sorry, babe.
I know Joey.
You saw Joey's message?
Funny. No, I just figured it was something Joey said.
Joey said, if anybody wants the details, let me know.
No.
I think I'd need a strong candle close on the 5-minute close below 820 for a good bearish push. Maybe BP. Oil still looks like it wants to head lower. So that means that the market could continue to go higher. ES right now just took out its session high. Let's see if that's going to be a sign of weakness or a sign of strength. Oh, I get spam texts all day now. This used to never happen. I thought I was the only one. Every single one of these spam texts I get, not even the same scam always, had the same name, and it's the name of my ex. No way. I feel like I'm being trolled. Oh, man. It's weakness until the NQ re-correlates, says BP. Yeah, until the NQ gets as high as the ES is what you're saying? Because the ES has a higher low. I mean, a higher high, and the NQ has a lower high. Is that what you mean? Okay. I have registered myself on a do not call list, and so has my wife. And I think ever since we did that, we've gotten more. I've gotten more text messages, and I've gotten more spam emails since I've registered myself. Tell you, man, it's conspiracy. I'm gonna sue them, yeah, just like they did to me. The market's going. Yeah, I know, Joey. I know all about that. You gotta find one of those scam attorneys that's gonna file for you, and then they keep most of the money. Anyone know how to stop junk mail in my mailbox? Physical mailbox? Oh, I don't know about that.
I think you might have to contact your postal. And,
The post office?
Yeah, and then just block certain things of who comes to you.
I will return the sender on the mail, put it back in. Does that work over time, or is that you have to do that every time? What is the best timing to trade overnight and other sessions move based on your Johnny trades? That's the thing, dude. The market doesn't do the same thing. The market will never do the same thing at the same times. People think it does, but it doesn't. The more I backtest and the more I research, I come to realize that the market is 100% random. Yes, you have bigger volume spikes at certain times normally, but things could come out at any point in time. News can come out at any time. You could get weak sessions that are normally strong. So there is never a good anything. It's just like it's just consistency, and it smooths out over time. Ryan says he's working on a program to stop it. It drives me insane that these are not programs that can stop it. Stand by. Yeah, Ryan, that would be great. Supposedly there's like services out there that stop people from spreading your private information, personal information, your emails and all that. But I feel like that's a scam too. Joey says, as traders, we're just here to get a piece of the pie. We don't need to predict every move, just a couple. Yeah. If you try to catch every single move, you're going to end up over trading, giving back green when you're green, and that's not going to be good for your psychology. Okay, market's showing a little weakness right now. Let's see what kind of a pullback she ends up giving us. Apple's a little bit on break even now. Semiconductors are ripping today. Trump is selling your info. That's what Paul says. He needs more billions. He should be charged with wire fraud after diverting money that should have gone to the fair to his own account. What fair? Safe says Mo Strat, 3 wins, 2 losses for today. Just checked. 1 going right now, not hit yet. Okay. Nice. Hopefully you get your TP here, brother. Yeah, let's review the trades overnight that Johnny was in. Let's go from 6 p.m. yesterday or 6 p.m. Okay. Well, we can just start right here at this valley. So long here worked out really nicely, beautifully. Long here worked out beautifully as well. This long worked out real nice. The short here worked out perfectly to the dollar. The minute that short hit, the market continued to the upside. This long here hit beautifully. This long hit here also beautifully. This long obviously got stopped out, but now is making that comeback. So hopefully this trade here does hit its target at 956. That would be beautiful. So a good little win streak there for the indicator. So I get a little bit of a push. That's nice. How did you automate your Johnny to set those TP and SL automatically? I got alert when MOAS came, but how to grab those TP and SL that it plotted? Asking it for my bot. I'd have to explain to you in the Discord if you message me. Safe. It's very, very in detailed. It's very complex. I've spent months programming Johnny. It hasn't just been like I started yesterday, turned him on. My wife will tell you she's barely seen me for the last few months. But I told her it's all for a good purpose, because once Johnny is self-sufficient, sentient,
It's okay.
we'll just we'll run away and Johnny will take care of us. He'll support our lifestyle like Bonnie and Clyde.
Mm-hmm.
But we won't rob the banks. At least Johnny obeys, says Mo. That's hilarious. With Johnny. Yeah, BP. Yeah, Johnny's he's got a good head on his shoulders. He's a good bot. Obeys. Oh, Joey's too funny. This market's very slow, man. Very, very slow. ATR right now is 25 on the Heiken Ashi candles. So it's even lower on traditional candles. I hope she does pick up the pace though, because we do have targets that we need to get to. Yes, looking pumpy on a 5. Oil's dropping as we speak. Bit of a chop fest, but she is going. That's what's important here. Mo's always long, dude. Mo's always in the long. Can't go wrong over time with longs. Yeah, the 30 minutes about to close right now, and it is massively bullish. Doesn't mean we can't have pullbacks, but it looks like the longs are the game today. Can't be wrong if you're long. You went long at 920, Mo? Still down a little bit? It's all good. Looks like it's coming back for you. She's stuck here on a 15-minute orb. 880 is her new resistance. Raphael's up 2K on the day. Beautiful, brother. Good, good. That's a nice round number. Thunder's up 2,300. That's awesome, brother. Going to play golf? Nice, man. Nice. Better ways to spend your time than just staring at these charts, that's for sure.
It kept going up.
Yeah, it's still kind of trending higher. If we get a nasty pullback, then maybe we'll try another long, but she's having a lot of resistance in this area, and ES is still ES is still going.
fun, Rafael.
Speak up a little bit, baby.
I said have fun, Rafael.
Uh-huh.
I never played golf, but I heard it can be relaxing.
Golf?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, once you know how to play.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to play, it's pretty rough. Relaxing if you're hitting the ball.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a lot of guys who have played for a while, it could really throw your day off. The reason why is because it's like a mental game, like trading, where it's like you against you, and you can really get upset with yourself in golf, just like in trading. You can get really mad at yourself. As a matter of fact, there's a book that I was reading. The guy was a golf coach, like a golf therapist for people who play golf. And then someone told him that he should also do it for traders and poker players. So he wrote this book, The Psychology of Trading. And he says that golf and poker have a lot of similarities to trading. Because it's you against you. Joey says that Mo told him he's a waffle stomper. What's a waffle stomper? You usually break 80 in golf most of the time? I don't even know if that's a good thing, Raphael. I'm proud of you, brother, either way. This market has slowed to a crawl. Don't look it up. That's gross, says BP. No way. ExxonMobil departs New Jersey after 144 years of the most symbolic, significant corporate relocation in recent American history. Incorporated in 1882 as Standard Oil of New Jersey. That's crazy. Are you serious, man? I used to drive by the refinery all the time. That's insane. Market's moving. Sideways. She's moving, but it's the problem is it's going sideways. It's the only movement she's got. Man, this summertime price action is a real thing. It's starting to turn into it. They're moving to Texas? I can't blame them. A much friendlier state for business. That's the reason I left Jersey too. This is wild. Ain't nothing happening here today. We're gonna be in this range here for a while, looks like, boys and girls. 830 to 880. The market's momentum has really kind of just flushed down the toilet this last couple of days. Looks like shorting, says Dotan. Paul says one time when he played golf, he broke 72. I decided I couldn't keep buying all those clubs. That's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
If you want, you can go, baby. I don't think there's going to be much more. Unless you want to stay. It's up to you. Huh? No, I'm not telling you to go. I'm just saying, like, this thing is just chopping. If you got other things you can work on, then by all means. Midday chop. Who, me?
No, Johnny.
Oh, Johnny?
Yeah. It's going sideways, but still good.
Is he in a trade? Oh, because of the MOAS?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. That's partially why we named him that. Okay. Market is it's kind of hanging out, man. Let's go see what else is going on besides this crazy market right now. Hmm? Yeah, going straight, yeah. I miss Bruce Lee. Oof, yeah, Take Profit Trader doesn't play. All 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts closed for counter position rule violation. He says, really don't think I did it, but after further investigation, I did accidentally hedge one account when I tried to close a position, but my copier trader was turned on. I should have used the close all button instead of the sell button. Hands up accountability, but it is very frustrating. Gonna take the day off and no stream. Wow, that sucks. They don't play. Take Profit Trader does not play with their hedging stuff. Patrick Wheeling finally breaks down the secret behind the inner circle traders and why their strategy is so profitable and made him billions of dollars. Well, that's funny. That's hilarious. This is Miami drivers. Did she just stab his tire? This lady just stabbed this guy's tire. This lady got anger issues for real. This lady in the Corvette. Oh, she really just stabbed his tire. That's crazy.
You know what's funny is that that's considered. It's not a assault. What is that called? Destruction of property.
Yeah. Every woman on earth dreams of this house. I'm sure my wife does. I am 100,000. My wife has that. The detergent inside of a thing where you press the button or get it out. Yeah. Look at his laundry room. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's
Cute.
I like how it's spacious.
That's called an ironing board.
I wouldn't do all that. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That's called an ironing board, by the way.
No, I know. I just wouldn't do all that.
Oh, okay. I don't know if they had those.
I have this
Wait.
steam thing. That one
Yeah.
is easier.
My-
Just put
you-
on my hanger.
Yeah, I have to teach you how to use an iron.
My mom did.
Your mom taught you how to use an iron?
Yeah, I was born in '93.
Oh, okay. I thought you were still in Colombia when irons came out. They have a toaster? Oh, that's in their kitchen. Oh, I'm like, you have a toaster in the laundry room?
What I would like though, and Patty and I talked about this, I would love, that whole vacuum under the thing.
The house, essential house vac?
Yeah, that would be really cool.
That's like an old school thing, though.
But then
That's coming back?
We have a robot vac, so I can't really complain.
Yeah.
And we also have a
Wow, she's got some.
handheld one. But I would really like to have that walk-in pantry, because we could store all of our stuff in it.
Wow. Yeah, that house is really something else. They really thought this house through.
And then hidden appliances. That'd be
There is nothing cheap in this house. That is insane. Are we still going sideways? You guessed it. You guessed it, guys.
What did the room get promoted? We do have every kind of broom. We have a regular broom. We also have a vacuum, and we also have a robot.
Yeah.
You just never know.
Hold on, guys. I gotta stretch my back. Give me a sec.
We also have different. We don't have every kind of different dolls. We only have two. The Swiffer and
I
the robot one.
I use Luna as a Swiffer sometimes.
He's not joking. He does use Luna as a Swiffer sometimes. Luna's my dog. Sorry, our dog.
When I can't find a Swiffer, I just put Luna on her back and I start moving her around.
It's starting to go a direction.
Yeah, it's starting to pick a direction here. Very directionally. She's getting pumpy.
Oh, I just realized I didn't do this one.
You were muted? No way. You were muted that whole time. Oh my lord. Now you gotta say it all over again.
Very funny.
Smooth, have you seen the periods to make money image from the 1800s? No, what is that? Because it was
Oh.
outstanding in its field and it swept the
Oh, it
competition.
was a joke. Why did the broom get promoted? And it's because it was outstanding in its field and it swept the competition.
Nice. Total dad joke.
Yeah.
We always try to remember Paul's dad jokes later in the day so we could tell our daughters.
Our youngest tries to say dad jokes. She's better than myself for sure.
Catalina?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's starting to learn. Thanks, Joey. Yeah, let me know when it's there. I'll check it out. All right, high of the day so far has been 930. We're at 840. We're at 894. Should be getting there hopefully soon.
Joey says it's there.
Oh, I've seen this. Yeah. Periods when to make money. Yeah, I've seen this. This is old. So it says here, A, years in which panics have occurred and will occur again. Okay, so A years. So A years are up here. Okay. So we had a panic in 2019. Yeah, that was the pandemic. 99, yeah, dot-com bubble. 81, that was the year I was born. Okay. 2035, we're going to have another big one. Okay. Panics have occurred. Okay, so that's 2019 was correct. B is years of good times, high prices, and the time to sell stock and value of all kinds, and values of all kinds. Okay. So B years. So that would have been in 2026. Okay, so right now is the time to sell. It says 2026. Okay. And then C years are years of hard times, low prices, and good time to buy stocks, corner lots, goods, etc., and hold till the boom reaches the years of good times, then unload. Okay, so let's see what years those were. Yeah, 2023, the market did dump. That was a good time to buy stock. 2012 was a great time to buy real estate. I know that because we were buying a ton of it. So the next opportunity we're going to get to buy cheap is in 2032. Damn. Okay. I'll set my clock. Thanks, Joey. Appreciate that, Joey. Yeah, safe. I'll get to it. I just can't do it now. It's very entailed. Joey says I wouldn't bank on a crash. Looks like we might get a slow grind higher. Let's take a look at what Nvidia is doing currently. Nvidia broke above the VWAP twice, got rejected both times. Right now it looks like a third time. You got a green wave on it, but the green wave has still have a downward slope to it. Not very convincing. Mags are the ones driving this this move higher. Got a target right now on the mags here at 65, 66. Bitcoin looks like it does want to continue going. YM hasn't stopped all day. Gold's moving higher. People say the 4-year cycle is non-existent, but it happens. But it happens time and time again. The 4-year cycle on what? On Bitcoin or Bitcoin cycle back up will start very soon too. What's going on, Catalina? How you doing, Mama? What are you doing today? She's so funny. She said, "Good morning, traders."
Morning, baby.
Markets are looking like they want to continue going. Johnny may take a trade here. Got a nice little triangle for me. Let's see if he goes long. Will you go long, Johnny? Will you go long? No, he did not. He said, I'm good, bro. Changed his mind on it. Slow grind, yeah, it looks that way. It's tough. We really have only made it about 10 points higher than here. This was our 886 level. It's been 24 minutes and we've only made it 15 points higher. Yeah, it's pretty rough. That is pretty rough. Still think she's going to end up ripping up to the 30-50 level, but ain't nobody got time for that. That's too much time. At this pace, you'll get there by tomorrow. Super tough price action. At least you made your money today, babe.
Well,
At least
yeah.
you made your money today. Don't you got to go soon?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, this is slow. I do gotta say this is very, very slow. Reminds me of yesterday. I mean, if you make it look like this, it's a little bit better looking. Not by much. What was the idea behind my trade? Notorious? Which trade? The one I have on right now or the one from earlier? Let me break that down for you. Okay, so the trade that I have on at the moment, this morning when we had our open, we got a really good signal that the price wanted to go to 30.50, and our invalidation point was down here. I think you can see it. Oh, it's being hidden right now by the 15-minute. It's being hidden by the 15-minute orb. So price did come down here to the invalidation zone. But then what happened is they took the liquidity from here, and then found support on this area. And so since they found support here, I figured that, hey, they're probably going to try to go to that original target at 30.50. So that's when I started adding into this long position. And this new trade here is another good opportunity to have gotten long. I was already long. And take a profit at 960, another good indication. But it's becoming a very, very slow, grindy market. So I don't know if she's going to end up getting there soon or if she's going to pull back. I have no idea. But the original trade idea I have right now is find support here, use this as support, then go back to the target you initially targeted for, so 30.50. So that's what I'm shooting for. The ES has also been cooperating pretty nicely too. The ES is showing signs of strength. And she is making higher highs, and the NQ is right now trying to make its first higher high of the day. If she does, it would have to get to this point here at 958. This is our first TP level here. If you can get to this, then it would officially make a new higher high, and then it would be a good sign for the bulls. As you can see on the ES, they're still looking for higher targets on the ES, and on the NQ right now, where only higher target we have at the moment is 960. So that's the idea behind my trade. Plus, also, another thing to remind you is that on the 30-minute, if you look at the 30-minute, we had a very strong green trend. So I was looking for longs specifically because of that as well. Look at the thickness on our green wave right now. The green wave is very solid. Higher time frames are bullish is what I'm trying to tell you. And we found support on the toy trend line that was started all the way back there. So all those things combined gave me a bullish bias. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any other questions. Not so much a bias, but it told me to keep my eyes open for longs. Potential resistance at 30.20. Hope not. You're long from 8.99 to 9.50. Nice, safe. Very nice, says Notorious. Thank you, Notorious. I appreciate that. How are we doing on likes today, guys? If you guys get me up to 50 likes before 12, I'll stay a little longer. Right now it looks like we are way down. We got about 24 likes. I don't think we'll get it. Never mind. Maybe we'll try again tomorrow. There's a lot of signs right now that are pointing us to the upside, in my opinion. Come on, NQ. Get us to the promised land, baby. If you guys want to check out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, what you're seeing on screen right now, we are doing a major rehaul right now. We're going to be offering the new version, which does not require you to have TradingView Premium, and you're also going to have both. If you are a existing subscriber to the indicator package, you'll have access to both. You have access to our original Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, and you will have the additional Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, which you'll see right now. I'll show you the difference in the two. So if you have the original, you will see these trades right here. That's the original. If you have both, which you will have if you're already a member, you will see those as well. If you are not able to use TradingView Premium, and you're only going to use the regular TradingView, you will have these signals, which are very good as well. But having both is obviously a plus plus. A lot more goodies in here. So I will have a solution. I will have a solution here very soon for you guys, hopefully by today. For anyone who is trading without TradingView Premium, you can use a free version of TradingView and be able to use our indicator. You'd be able to use 2 indicators. You'd be able to use the Smooth Trader Concepts tool, a volume toolkit, this one, and then you'll also be able to use our momentum indicator if you're not a TradingView Premium user. So make sure to hit that link that's pinned in the chat. Go over to our website. Is this it? That's not it. That's not it either. Did I erase it? Here it is. Then go and sign up for the 7 days for $7. Once you are active, you can keep using it for as little as $2 a day or less than $2 a day. You can also do lifetime, guys, which you only pay one time and 20% off with lifetime. STC20 is a 20% discount for lifetime. And don't forget to check out our prop firm matrix, where you guys can see the best deals right now on the best prop firms that do not leave you high and dry. We got Lucid, Tradeify, Trade Day, and Apex all have great deals. Lucid and Tradeify and Trade Day have some great deals right now, 50% off, 40% off, 30% off right here. And you can see all of the offerings they have, so you can compare them all side by side to see which one actually has the deepest discount, the best rules, and all the best drawdown to profit ratios, drawdown to cost ratio, everything you need to know. And then the links are down here, and the best coupon codes are down there as well. We also got the BTC exchange that I use for trading crypto. I use it to trade crypto, oil, silver, anything that has like high leverage, because I can control my how much I want to risk by using an exchange like BTC. You can also trade stocks. So you can trade commodities and crypto, any kind of meme coin or any kind of altcoin you want to use as well. You get $30 just for signing up. You get up to $10,000 once you deposit your first amount of money, anywhere between. You get 10% on anything you deposit. So if you deposit $1,000, you get $100 for free. You can just use the $100 and keep your $1,000 or bring it back to your bank account, whatever you want to do. Very simple to do. You get up to 250x leverage, which is insane. I don't use more than 50. And you also get up to $30,000 and $30,000 worth of rewards as you trade. So very nice exchange, and you can use it if you're a U.S. resident. All right, NQ is moving to the upside now. She is moving. I think Johnny took a little long. Yeah, he did. A little baby long. Johnny took a little baby long. That's so cute, Johnny. He took a little baby long. Let's see if it goes.
So he entered 2 trades.
He didn't take the first one, that MOAS trade. He didn't take that one because I have him programmed on a different script right now.
Okay.
But he did take this one here. All right, so I'm gonna say a prayer for you guys and let you guys go. Y'all quit too soon yesterday at 11:55 a.m. I said a rally was coming. A few minutes later, the market took off and the NQ moved up 400 points. I know that was crazy yesterday, Paul. That was insane. Safe says the MOAS comes up after every divergence candle in the same color wave. Is that correct? No, not every one. Oh, in the same color wave as the MV wave, something like that. But I'll explain to you in Discord. Why is my stop so wide? The stop's always 1-to-1. Notorious. It's always 1-to-1. It's as wide as the TP is. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Let me say a prayer for you guys. Father God, we thank you for this community, Father. We thank you for every single trader that has come to our channel today, Father, and has always been here with us. Lord, I know we fall short every single day, Lord, of deserving your grace, Father, but we ask you for forgiveness for our sins. We ask you, Father, to work on us. I know it's one of the hardest things is to let go of our anger, our pride, our ego, our jealousy, Father. A lot of things that you did not program us to carry, Lord, but we do. We ask you, Father, to strip us of all those things, Father, and convert us into the humans any examples that you want us to be for our children and the people around us, Father. Lord, I pray that anyone in this community who's going through a hard time mentally or financially, Lord, that you come to them, Lord, and you meet them and you give them relief, Father. You give them some comfort. Father, anyone here who's struggling with a disease, Father, or something that illness that they can't get over, Lord, I pray that you come to them, Father, and give them some support, Father, and their family some relief, Lord. I know that it's hard to see the loved ones go through anything difficult, Father. I know that we are your children, Father, so it pains you as well, but I know that you do all things for our good, Father, to strengthen us and not to hurt us. So, Lord, we give you all the baggage that we can't carry alone, Father. We know you do it with us, but we also give you all the glory, Father, for all the things that we have accomplished in our life, and we thank you, Lord, for each and every day. All right, guys, just want to say that we are pretty much done here. I think the market is going to continue going, but I'm going to go. I'm hungry, and I'm going to go and do some other stuff in the background. If you guys want to check out the indicator or any other stuff, hit the links in the chat, and then I will see you guys all tomorrow. And yeah, I think that's it. You want to say goodbye, babe?
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
All right, guys. Take care. Maybe Johnny will get this TP here at 9:30. Let's see. Does he get 9:30? Can he get 9:30? Johnny, go. Go, Johnny, pump it, baby. Pump up the jams, Johnny. It won't make up for the loss you had earlier, buddy, but it'll chip away. Push it, Johnny. Yeah, 920 is going to be a rough spot, too, so we can get a pullback at 920. 920 is going to be a bit rough. All right. $920 is exactly what I thought it would be, a little rough. Push it for Johnny, NQ. Push it for Johnny, baby. Usually I'm from 9 to 12, Notorious. Come on, baby. Let's push it up a little bit more. We got a pretty good Discord too, Notorious, if you want to check it out over there. The Discord is free. It's also pinned in the chat. Let's go, baby. Come on, Johnny, smack it for the chat. All right, asking the NQ to move 25 points is a lot today. Our ATRs right now in the 1 minute have trickled down to 12, and that is on the Heiken Ashi candles. So it's probably sub 10 right now on the regular standard candles. This is just, it hurts. Hurts to watch. Major call 29,917 break, go up, gamma positive, says Tommy. Thanks, Tommy. $29,917. That's a gamma level, you're saying? Yeah, I knew 920 was going to be rough. Rough on little Johnny here. Come on. Give us this quick move up. Damn. Can't even trade the demo account today? What happened, hot seater? I am gonna go, guys. I was just thinking that we maybe get this TP here on stream. Can't break it today, Tommy? In my opinion, can't break it today. Why not take profit? Because it's a automated trading system. I don't touch it. It does it all on its own. Yes, using prop firms. I've backtested every scenario you could think of, guys. Moving to break even, taking profits when it goes against you. Every single thing you could think of all comes back with a worst win rate, worse P&L. Leaving your trade and let it play out is the best P&L. If you don't believe me, you guys could do the back testing on your own, and you'll come up to a similar conclusion, I'm sure. Let's see if we can get this little push. Come on, NQ. Give it a little push, baby. Go, 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 NQ. There she goes. There she goes. Push it, NQ. Give Johnny a little green. Man, this is so exciting. Thought I was going to be here for another minute or two. How can you start? Says Yeah Bananas. How can you start what? Prop firms? Well, if you feel confident in your strategy, Yeah Bananas, there is a link in our chat. There's a link that's pinned in the chat that'll take you here. These are the most trusted prop firms. I would stick with probably Lucid or maybe Tradeify. If you're brand new, they have very. Let me just sorry about that. You could stick with try like Lucid or Tradeify if you're a beginner. They seem to have the friendliest rules for beginners. Even Trade Day too. Apex is a little more complicated. They are a little bit more advanced for the advanced trader. Try these. You can get accounts with a 25. You can get a 25K flex or a 25K growth. I don't think Trade Day does 25Ks. You can get them for as little as $70, $60 for Tradeify right now. Trade Day has a $62 50K eval. That's not a bad option either. So those are good, man. Try that. Don't go crazy buying a lot of them though. Just buy one. Trade it like it's real money. Come on, Johnny. Push it, Johnny. Let's go, baby. Tommy says, put increase. Tommy says we don't break 917 today because of the put wall. I hope that's not true. She's trying to do you dirty, Johnny. Don't let her do you dirty. Don't let the NQ stomp all over you. Show her what you made of, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, what did I sign up for? This 25-point trade is taking an eon. Yeah, sellers are starting to be real annoying here. And Tommy's right. She is moving like there's some kind of a put wall there. Whenever candles move like this, like very I don't know what to call it, like EKG kind of, like they just they fidget or they vibrate. That's usually some kind of a gamma level. Yeah, looks like we're gonna see some. We're gonna start to see some moves to the downside here. A lot of sellers coming in right now. A lot of red diamonds showing up on a 15-second. A lot of red diamonds. A lot of selling going on. Mucho selling. Ay, ay. Come on, girl. You're going to try to attack that 917 level once more, or 920, and reject it. Yeah, it's starting to look a little dumpy. Every green candle we get looks like it's getting sabotaged. Sellers are getting way stronger. Let's see what happens. Come buyers. And they made you push, push, push. This is annoying. ATRs are stuck at 12 right now. Crazy. Every pop to trap long on a 15-second. That is crazy. Yeah, I think they may start giving some of this back. Yeah, this will make you want to just like turn off your computer and go. They begging the NQ for 25 points. Yeah, we haven't taken out the daily high yet. That's the thing. That's the kicker. We have not taken out that daily high. We're right there, we're close. Do I have a code with Legends? No, I don't, Vic. Sorry, brother. I was considering them. Just use Patrick's. He's a big Legends guy. Man, this market right now. Okay. Give us a little push, NQ. Give us that little push at 930. That's right there, even with the daily high we had earlier. Not asking for much. This is crazy. Oh, whoa, man. The patience needed for the NQ today. Yeah, this 917, 920 level has been just bananas right now. Guys, I'm going to call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be here at 9 o'clock. And yeah, I'm going to hold these longs. The longs are what I'm holding on to at the moment. I got one long up to 150, 30, 150, believe it or not. And this one long here, Johnny's got on here till 29, 930. So wish me luck, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, guys. God bless.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.